Sri Lanka holds a special place in my heart. Is it the people, the food, the endless beaches, or maybe just a little bit of each? This is a little revisit, edit of one of my many trips to this wonderful island. We start in a little street market just outside Negombo. Dried and fresh fish aplenty, herbs and spices and fresh produce. I cannot wait to get back there. A train journey from Kandy to Ella is a must-do in Sri Lanka. The cost of the ticket is so cheap, it's not even worth talking about. It's actually faster to drive than take the train, but you for sure do not get to see the wonderful landscapes as you travel through the tea plantations. Colombo is the beating heart of the country, busy, with many great places to eat. It's also a good place for you to Start your travels and top up on anything that you might need, like a battery for a GoPro, a MacBook charger or something like that. As the further you get away from this hub, the harder things are to get. Grab all your stuff that you need, eat some amazing food, and then head off. A bit of off-roading is always a great thing to do. Get on a safari jeep and get to see some fantastic landscapes, and if you're lucky, a few elephants. Kandy, wonderful place. I've left all the street sounds on for this one. Note the crows or ravens. I'm not sure if they're crows or ravens, but crows remind me of Kandy. They're everywhere, quack, quack, making their noise. The market is a fantastic, it's a fantastic place for people like me who love to, watch people and look at food. Check it out.
Morgan cat. Aigua me dá dica
Trinco is a quiet place. Get there before it's built up. It's building up quite fast, but it is a wonderful, wonderful place up there. Beautiful beaches with a fantastic fish market. You know, really, really beautiful fish market, and such a great time there. A few coconuts on the way. Roadside barbecue, sweet corn. That keeps me going until we have a big lunch and an even bigger dinner. Sri Lanka. I will see you soon.